29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing.
Your support helps us continue our work. Here are 2 easy ways you can contribute. The first one is support us on Buy Me a Coffee. A simple and direct way to make a one-time donation. Every contribution helps us create more valuable content. The second one is join our Patreon community. Get access to exclusive content and resources. We offer both free and paid memberships, so everyone can join. Free members get a variety of creative resources. Paid members unlock extra perks and exclusive content. We are so grateful for your support.